Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode I am going to show you how to add color to your clear rhinestone or glass jewelry using just a simple Sharpie marker. Now this technique is so fun, really easy to do, so let's get started and I'll show you how. This is my rhinestone jewelry that I picked up at my local Walmart so I could show you how simple and fun this technique is. Of course, I've got all of my Sharpie markers here, lots of fun different colors. And don't worry, if you make a mistake, all you need is nail polish remover, and that will remove the Sharpie from the rhinestone so you can start over. First, let's start with some earrings. So I'm gonna move these out of the way, and let's decide what color we want to make them. Let's start with these really cute little love earrings right here. So of course we want to make those like a pretty pink. So I'm going to pick that dark magenta Sharpie marker. And you just want to color just the stone, the rhinestone with the Sharpie marker. Try not to get it on the surrounding metal. And you just color. I'm gonna hold that still. My other hand. And of course, the other matching one. And look at how cute. It really makes that rhinestone pop in the center. Let's see if I can show that to you. Isn't that so cute? Okay, let's do another pair. Let's do like a fun, bright, springy pair. Let's do some pink, some yellow, and how about some orange, okay? And let's do this fun pair right here. Now these are the kind that go behind. They're actually two pieces. You've got the stud and then the piece that goes behind your ear. So let's color these. And I'm gonna hold them still with one hand and color with the other. Do that main stud pink. And of course we want them to match. And then these are in little clusters of 3. So I'm just gonna make one of each of the clusters, one of the 3 colors. And those are done as well. Look at how cute. Adding a little bit of color just really makes them pop. Plus it makes it so you can match them to any outfit or occasion. So those are just some of the earrings. Now let's do a bracelet. Here's the bracelet that we're going to do. And this one has 2 little charms on it. I'm only gonna color one. And let's do this really pretty green color. I'm gonna hold it in my hand and try and stabilize that charm, that rhinestone charm, as best as I can. There we go. And I'm just going to color it with my Sharpie marker. And then, look at how pretty. Doesn't that look awesome? It's a great way to even add like birthstone colors to a bracelet or earrings as well. Here is our necklace that we're going to do. And let's do a couple colors on this one as well. How about in a pink, blue, and purple? And these are in a lighter shade. And we aren't gonna really go in any specific pattern. We're just gonna go really pretty random here and color in those gems. I actually wanna color the back side. So we're gonna color those rhinestones. And there is our finished necklace. Isn't that cute? It's amazing how just a little bit of color can completely change the look of your jewelry. And of course we have our bracelet and our fun little earrings here that we can color with our Sharpie markers. The possibilities are endless. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to check out my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And you can also always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.